So for my smoothie, I'm adding 1 cup of almond milk, a handful of frozen spinach, a handful of frozen blackberries, 3 strawberries, 2 chunks of frozen pineapple, 1 scoop of vanilla meal replacement, I use Garden of Life, and a half a frozen banana. I also put 1 teaspoon of chia seeds in it. I also had my usual tofu scramble. I just sauteed some mushrooms, a half a pack of tofu, and seasoned it with pepper, black salt, turmeric, and garlic powder. For lunch, I had some homemade hummus and flax crackers. I added 1/4 cup of chickpea water, 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, 1/4 cup of tahini, 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil, or you can use olive oil, the juice of 2 lemons, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, a half teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 3 cloves of garlic. You can also use roasted garlic. For dinner, I had some kale pesto pasta. I'm sauteing some mushrooms, and once the mushrooms are done, I'm adding some onions, and once the onions are done, I'm adding 3 cloves of garlic, minced garlic. And now I'm adding some rice noodles in this kale cashew pesto sauce that I got from Trader Joe's. And that sums up what I ate for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.